It is stable, but traditional real estate, it's expensive, it's slow, it's locked behind paperwork, banks, and lawyers. Estate changed that. Now you can buy fractional ownership of real properties digitally, instantly, and from anywhere in the world. Each EST token represents part of a real income generation asset. Apartments, hotels, development projects, fully legal, blockchain verified. You don't need $200,000 to get started. You don't even need $2,000. Start with $117. Own part of a real apartment. Start earning daily passive income. This is real estate, but rebuilt for investors like us. I already make my first pushes. You can too. Crypto Mason. Link in bio.